Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. My name is Muhammad Aziz bin Azizul Sham, and right now I will present introduction for final project of subject Data Communication and Networking. So Plato Cyber Cafe is a modern cyber cafe located in Pekan Raya Tunggal. It's strategically positioned near resident area and local college and university. We serve two main customer group. First, gamers who need high-spec PC with low latency for online gaming. Second, workers or students who require a peaceful environment with a reliable internet to complete their tasks. Our goal is to become the go-to spot in Pekan Raya Tunggal for both productivity and entertainment.
Hi, I'm Azib Ramli. I'm going to explain about the hardware and software required for this project. Firstly, for core computing terminals, game PCs will be 10 units, total up into 42,000. Next, we have productivity PC, 5 units for 10,000 ringgit. And finally, admin PC, 1 unit for 2,000 ringgit. For network infrastructure, core router, 1 unit for 400 ringgit, 34 port switch for 450 ringgit, Cat6 cable, 250 ringgit, RG45 connectors, 40 ringgit, and finally access point for 350 ringgit. Next, we are going into the storage and peripheral. For laser printer, 1 unit for 800 ringgit and 1 NAS server for 2080 ringgit that will be used as game pictures and backups. For furniture and power, gaming desk 10 set for 5,000 ringgit, workspace desk and chairs for 5 set for 1,250 ringgit, reception counter for 500 ringgit, search power bar for 800 ringgit, and finally the hardware subtotal there will be 66,640 ringgit. Okay, finally I'm gonna be explaining the software and licensing. We are going to be use Windows 11 Pro. Next we are going to use B3 Cafe Lifetime License for management suites. And for endpoint security, there will be total up into 670 ringgit for malware protection. And for game launcher, there will be free because it is a free platform such as Steam, Epic, Riot, and EA. Hardware baseline will be total into 66,640 ringgit. Software backline only 6,060 ringgit. And base capital required is 72,700 ringgit. With contingency buffer for 10%, there will be 7,270 ringgit. Bring up the grand total for the startup cost is 79,970 ringgit.
Good day everyone, my name is Nur Amin Zakaria. Today I am presenting section 3 of our proposal, the proposed network topology and design. Let's begin by looking at our core network device and their structural role. First, we have the router which serves as the primary gateway connecting our local cyber cafe network to the internet service provider. Second is our core switch which functions as the central hub for our local area network, facilitating high-speed, low-latency wired data transfer. Third, we deploy a wireless access point or WAP strategically within the physical layout to provide wireless coverage primarily for our open source and launch area. And fourth, our end user workstation, which represent the actual physical client hardware deployed across the business layout. Moving on to our network topology, our layout combines a physical star topology with a logical VLAN segment to maximize network efficiency, security, and ease of troubleshooting. As you can see in our Cisco packet tracer diagram on the right, every individual workstation, access point, and admin PC connected directly to our central switch. Logically, we have split the network into 4 distinct zones to complete isolate traffic. First, we have the management VLAN or VLAN 99 for our high security admin operation. Second is the gaming zone on VLAN 10 built in our gaming machine maximum performance and zero interference. Third is the workstation section on VLAN 20 for our productivity cubicle, and fourth is our wireless lounge on VLAN 30 which completely isolate the guest mobile and laptop traffic from our primary business network. To tie all of these hardware components together, we utilize a strategic combination of guided and unguided communication media. First, we use Cat6 UTP cable. These are used for all physical wired connection linking our workstation, administration system, and wireless access point back to the central switch to guarantee ultra-low latency and maximum bandwidth stability. Second, we use Wi-Fi 6 wireless technology deployed via our central access point. It covers the open space and lounge section on VLAN 30. This provides seamless high-density wireless connectivity for customers using personal smart devices and laptops without ever degrading the performance of our core wired commercial gaming infrastructure. That concludes our presentation for section 3. Thank you.
Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. My name is Nur Aiman Hakimi bin Nazaruddin. So let's moving on to part 5, which is IP addressing. To systematically manage our network layout, we designed a custom Class C IPv4 addressing scheme using the private 192.168x.0 range. As shown in our allocation table, the local network is logically segmented into 4 distinct VLANs. Following network best practice, the default gateway for every subnet is assigned to the first usable host address, which is 0.1. On its corresponding router subinterface, this ensures clean boundary for our inter-VLAN router on a state configuration. Okay, next, let's look at our user zones. First, VLAN 10 represents our gaming zone. It hosts 10 high specification gaming PC with static IP bound from 10.2 to 10.11 on switch port FA0/2/11 to guarantee maximum bandwidth and ultra low latency. Next, VLAN 20 is our workspace section. This zone connects 5 productivity PC across ports FA0/12 through system, restricted to IPS 0.2 to 0.6 to ensure data privacy and stable performance. Finally, VLAN 30 is our wireless launch handled by a central access point on port FA0/17. It supports multiple concurrent guest devices using a wider host pool from 0.2 to 0.254, completely isolating heavy public mobile traffic from our core gaming infrastructure. To wrap up our IP addressing session, VLAN 99 is our management counter, which serves as the secure nerve center of Plato Cyber Cafe. It connects our single front counter admin PC to physical switch port 1 with a strict static IP of 192.168.99.2. This high security zone handles critical back-end business operations like billing and session tracking. By applying strict port mapping on the switch and restricting inter-VLAN access, we ensure that general customer can access or ping our administrative system. This complete our secure, high-performance network design.
Assalamualaikum, my name is Muhammad Iqwan bin Idrus. I'm going to present type of internet access. Firstly, Plato Cyber Cafe use TME5 business fiber as its main internet connection. This fixed broadband service is selected due to its wide availability in the Pekanbaran Tunggal area and supported by an enterprise shared service level agreement (SLA), making it stable for business operation. Secondly, the chosen package is Unified Business Fiber 500 Mbps, which provide high-speed fiber connectivity with unlimited data usage. This ensures smooth handling of multiple high-demand activities such as online gaming, batch file download, and video streaming without bandwidth throttling or interruption. In terms of performance, the fiber connection delivers low latency and minimal jitter, maintaining a stable ping range of around 10 to 15 ms. This level of stability is essential to support a smooth and responsive gaming experience for users. Next, to ensure continuous connectivity, Plato Cyber Cafe also implement Unified Mobile 5G hotspot as a secondary internet access. This wireless connection serves as a backup in the event of fiber failure or unexpected service disruption. The system is integrated with the main router using an automatic failover mechanism, allowing traffic to switch seamlessly from fiber to 5G without manual intervention. Lastly, the redundancy ensures that critical operations such as billing system, content management, and staff workstation remain functional even during outage. Overall, this dual access setup supports more than 20 concurrent users, while minimizing downtime and maintaining stable business operation.
So for conclusion, Plato Cyber Cafe utilizes a star topology with Cat6 cabling for reliable and high-speed connectivity. The network is divided into VLANs for gaming, workspace, and management zones. Internet is provided by Unified Business Fiber 500 Mbps with a Unified Mobile 5G backup for continuous service. This design is reliable, scalable, and cost-effective, using standard hardware while ensuring security through VLAN segmentation. Overall, this network investment will deliver a fast, stable, and secure experience for gamers and students, ensuring long-term business profitability and sustainability. That's all. Thank you.